Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you beautiful crochet wall hanging. These are made with yarn and a crochet hook. They are soft, handmade and full of love. Crochet wall hanging add charm to any room. You can hang them in your living room, bedrooms or even the hallway. There are many patterns, simple lines, flowers, leaf or bob styles. You can make them big or small, round or long. Use colors that match your home. White and begin give a clean look. Bright colors make it pop. You can add button, stick, pads or tails to make it even better. Most patterns use basic crochet stitch like China, single and double crochet, so even beginners can try making them. These hanging are perfect as a gift to the show care, efforts and handmade beauty. Try one today. It's fun and relaxing. Decorate your wall with your own hands. Viewers, thanks for watching. Like and follow for more crochet home decorate ideas. Sonetry. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching.